Next naman tayo, may nag-request yung kay Ja Surreal. Hindi ko na napanood yun eh. As in, hindi ko pa talaga siya napanood guys. Ngayon pa lang. Okay, may nag-request na ito, no? Okay, panoorin natin guys. Ayun, yan. Lance Berberabe, hindi ko mapapanood yan gawa ng mostly mga pinapanood ko muna sa ngayon is more on music videos, dance performance, mga performance nila or kung ano man, no? Dance practice na. Malay mo, soon, manood tayo ng live natin na puro vlogs. No? Pero nagre-release ako ng mga vlogs yung sa mismong videos ko mismo, may ina-upload ko yung mga ini-edit ko. No? Pero pag mga live, mostly performances yung pinapanood natin. No? So very very soon, panoorin natin yung mga yan. Pero gusto kong panoorin nyo yung kay Boy Abunda Fast Talk, no? Okay, panoorin natin guys, no? Let's go. Surreal by Justin De Diaz of SB19.
I just want to live in my imagination where hatred does not exist. Hear the moonlight is brighter than ever.
Ang ganda ng quality ng music video niya as in.
And the stars shine just for us. And your eyes can see everything. You and I are imagining.
Wow! Yung transition dun, no?
While we walk slowly under the streetlights, we hold.
Shoutout kay JK Tonshoco, no? From Hong Kong, no? Shoutout po sa inyo. Shoutout po sa inyo.
Each other's hands so tight, and I can feel it.
Grabe ka, low budget to. Maya 08. Low budget pa to, ha? Woo!
I just wanna be with you in all the seasons. We imagine to actually exist. There's winter that's colder than ever. My heart's warm just for us. And your hands can feel everything. You and I are imagining while we walk slowly under the trees.
Wow! Ay, cute na, no? Yung medyas niya, guys, oh. May kamay. Touch his other's hands, oh. Talaga nag-touch. Ang cute. Ang ganda ng MV niya, guys.
We sat on the edge of a cliff. I can hear the wind blowing. And your rest.
Legit ba, guys? Yara Jelu, boses niya yun? Yun yung parang may parang nag-second voice. Nakikita ko na sa comments eh.
I can hear the wind.
Oh, okay. So si Jelu yun of Yara, no? Shoutout kay Jelu sa mga hindi nakakalam, guys. Jelu is a very good friend of mine, guys. Mas matagal ko naging kagrupo si Jelu of Yara kaysa kay Stel. No? Si Jelu nakagrupo ko siya for 3 years sa STI, no? And si Stel, parang 1 year ko lang naging kagrupo sa STI, no? Kaya mas close ako kay Jelu talaga as in.
Blowing. And you rest your head on my shoulder.
Di, magaling mo, men. Galing ni Jello.
The horizon feels so unreal. We walk slowly under the sunlight, behold each other's hand, oh so tight, and I can feel it from inside. I will keep it in my heart. It's embedded, 'cause it's real, so real.
Wow! Wow, guys! Napaka-magical ng kantang yun and then yung MV, guys, no? Grabe, napakaganda nun, guys, as in. And syempre, dagdag nyo pa, andun pala si Jello, no? Let's go. Andun pala si Jello, no? My man, let's go! Wow, napakaganda. Wala akong masabi sa MV nila kundi napaka-magical, kumbaga tagos sa puso as in, napakagaling, no? Ang galing, wow. Yan natin. May nagsabi, guys, parang may nakita ko si Stel daw yung makeup artist ni Ja, no? Shoutout. Okay. Galing, sobrang galing niya itong to. Although hindi ko siya masabing simple siya eh. I think yung hindi simple, I think this is simple eh. Pinagbuhusan siya even though yung mga scenes is more on ganun, pero alam mo yung editing process nun, guys, hindi madali man kay sa akin. Let's go. Ang ganda. Okay, guys, next tayo. Na speechless ako doon.